today we'll be talking about this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tight Facial that I have right here in the solid packaging. I am a huge fan of Glow Recipe's packaging because the packaging is always like so simple, straight to the point. Alright, so on this side we have the list of ingredients, and then on the back right here we have a description about the product and how to use this. Alright, so when you open this up, it definitely has more information on the inside here. So if you take this out, oh, it's so cute and adorable. It has like watermelons all on the inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is glass. It has some really good weight to it. Like it just feels very heavy. I like the simple packaging. So when you open this up, it does come with this I guess you have like a film cover. Obviously I did take it off, so this is what it looks like. And if you're wondering, yes, it does smell like watermelon. It's very sweet for you guys who love like sweet scents and stuff. All right, so if you look closely at the product, I would say it's kind of like a whitish pinkish type of color. Okay, so how you use this product is that make sure you start with a fresh clean face first. So make sure you wash your face first, and also make sure your hands are nice and clean first. And then I would use a Q-tip to scoop out some product, and then I'll distribute it onto my face, and I'll just use my fingers just to like spread it all around my whole entire face. And then I will let it sit for 5 minutes, and only 5 minutes because obviously my skin is more on the sensitive side. So after 5 minutes you go and you just like rinse or like wash it off your face. And I would suggest, especially for those of you guys who have sensitive skin, be a little bit careful because there are like little I don't want to call them beads, they're not exactly beads, but they're like little particles in here. And if you actually like scrub or rub too hard, and if you do have like rosacea or if you have very sensitive skin, it might kind of irritate your skin just a tad bit. So just be careful, especially when you're just washing it off. Make sure you're very gentle with my sensitive skin people out there. So after using this product, your face is just gonna feel so refreshed, feels so nice. And then of course you continue on with your regular like skincare stuff. So you know how this says pore tightening? So for me personally, I didn't see a difference in pore tightening because first of all, my pores, I would say they aren't even that big, so I didn't even notice a difference in that. So I don't know, there might be a chance if you do have like really big pores, it might work. So for those of you guys who do have big pores and who have tried this, you know, let me know down in the comments, does it actually shrink your pores? Like for me, I did not see a difference in my pores, but what I noticed is that after using this product, it was a lot easier to apply on like my skincare stuff. So I will give bonus to that. And especially for this, I would say use this probably like every 2 weeks. I know if you're wondering, can you use it every week? I would say yes, you can, but be careful, especially if you do have sensitive skin just like how I do. And I'm sure you guys can see my skin is sensitive. See my redness right here? This is where I'm sensitive, so just be really careful with this product. As for price wise, obviously you guys probably know by now that Glow Recipe, their products are really more on like the expensive / high-end side. But because they use very clean ingredients, which is really good for the skin, I would definitely recommend to try this if you have not tried this, okay? And I would say for like a size like this, depending on how much product you apply on your face and how much you use every single time, this could possibly last you one whole entire year. So just depending on your usage. So for those of you guys who have tried this product, let me know, do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Or if you have tried any other Glow Recipe products that you definitely recommend me checking out, feel free to leave them down in the comments because I definitely will be reading them. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.